good to be back. Here in Boston, Gillette Stadium, 250 main. Let's do it. It's time to bring the action here in Foxborough, in Gillette Stadium. Is this going to be championship time for Eli Tomac? We are about to find out. Tomac is nicely positioned. Tomac and Anderson and Webb. Oh, we couldn't ask for a better start or for a better scenario.
Number 3 is all up on him. There's Anderson right there.
Look out! Look out!
He stalled it.
He stalled! Anderson threw it in there on the inside on a block pass, and it caused the Yamaha rider to stall.
He stalled it. Eli's starting to, I gotta say, man, he's riding pretty aggressive, moving to the front, trying to make up time. I'm not sure if he's going to be able to catch Anderson. He's going to need a little bit of help, but I like what I'm seeing. He wants to wrap this thing up. I thought he was going to play it maybe a bit safer, but as he said in the past, he might be feeling the flow.